What's up, guys? Got the new Blackstone 17-inch tabletop griddle. I'm gonna do an unboxing today. I'm gonna open it up, take everything out, put it together, and test it out.
Alright, we're fine.
So we're gonna unbox this, pull everything out, see what we got. Comes with some instructions. Everything's pretty much put together. Got a cool feet that you gotta add. Little grease tray goes in right here. The main cooktop. Owner's manual. Pretty much sits like that. There's everything I guess you could put on the flat top. And put everything together. I'll be right back. So here's the Blackstone 17-inch all put together. Got the legs on, the cooktop on, propane bottle attachment. Got the oil ready. So we're gonna fire it up and see if we can do the initial burn-in. Be right back. So here we go. We're gonna start the Blackstone for the first time. And we're gonna light it, throw some oil on. Blackstone is lit after a couple tries. We're gonna heat it up, see how long it takes. So here we go, I'm gonna throw some oil down. Got a napkin smeared around all over the place, all over the top of the surface and the sides. As it's heating up, do a little seasoning. Do this, you can burn off all the machine oil, cutting oil that these things get left behind with. Put it all over the place, give it a nice good coat of oil. So when you go to cook, it's ready to go. Probably going to do this a couple times just so it gets nice and seasoned. When I picked up the Blackstone griddle, figured I'd get a covering carrying bag to go with it. Put it inside the storage of my trailer. So when I go camping, it's not all left. Get scratched and banged up with everything else I got. Seems like a pretty good cooker. We'll test it out in a little while. We're going to throw some burgers on there. We'll try it out later. But first, got to season it up. I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera. We got some smoke rolling off the flat top, cooktop. So the oil's setting in a little bit. So I'll probably repeat this process a couple times just so the metal can get a good coating of the oil. So I'll do this a few times and see what we put on this bad boy a little later. So here we are, gonna throw on some burgers now. Got the grill all seasoned up. Gone to Walmart and got some patties. So we're gonna throw those on. Season them up a little bit. Throw some cheese and feed the fam. As you can tell, I threw one burger on and you can already hear that sizzle. Should be a quick cook. These burgers are pretty thin. Go ahead and test out the new. So here's the finished product of the burgers I made on the Blackstone 17-inch griddle. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit that like button. I'll be putting out some more videos soon. Take care, guys. Bye.